Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Once you are ready to write a check for the payroll liabilities, you must create a liability check. Do not create a check using the Write Checks window or an account register to pay payroll liabilities. Unless you use the method shown, QuickBooks will not properly adjust the payroll liabilities account. If you write a check or enter a general journal entry against the payroll liabilities account without specifying which specific liabilities to adjust, the total amount of the adjustment is dispersed amongst the individual liabilities, which causes the balance of each individual liability to be incorrect. While you can fix it by making liability adjustments to the individual liabilities, it is tedious to fix and best avoided. When you subscribe to one of the QuickBooks payroll tax services, you set up scheduled liability payments as part of the payroll setup process. You can view this information within the Payroll Center in QuickBooks. To pay your scheduled payroll liabilities, select Employees, Payroll Taxes and Liabilities, Pay Scheduled Liabilities from the menu bar. Then check the Scheduled Payments to Make from the listing shown in the Pay Taxes and Other Liabilities section of the Employee Center Payroll Center window. Then click the View/Pay button to open the Liability Check window, where you can review the liability check or checks to be created. Then click the Save and Close button to finish and save the checks for printing. If needed, you can select Employees, Payroll Taxes and Liabilities, Create Custom Liability Payment to create a custom liability payment for your payroll liabilities. In the window that appears, select the date range of the liabilities to pay. Then click the OK button to view the Pay Liabilities window. In the Pay Liabilities window, place a check mark next to the individual payroll liabilities you need to pay with the custom liability payment. To create checks for printing, ensure that the To Be Printed checkbox is selected. Also, make sure that the option button for Review Liability Check to enter expenses/penalties is selected, and then click the Create button to create the liability checks. Note that liability checks are a special type of check with a unique tab at the bottom of the check that indicates exactly which payroll liabilities are being paid with that check. If you have additional penalties to add, enter them on the Expenses tab. If you make modifications to the check, click the Save and Close button when finished to save the changes you have made.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.